Welcome to my lecture video. Today I will be discussing access to common business tools and technology in tourism industry. By the end of this lecture you will learn: first, identify common business tools required to achieve work outcomes; second, discuss the different business tools and technology; third, appreciate the importance of business tools in tourism industry. Starting this lesson, I'll be defining first what is business tools. Business tools are all the systems, applications, controls, calculating solutions, methodologies, etc. used by organizations to be able to cope with changing markets, ensure a competitive position in them, and improve business performance. Using business tools in the tourism industry helps the customers and businesses benefit from improved communication, reservations, and guest service systems. Technology has helped tourism and hospitality industries replace expensive human labor with technological labor. This helps reduce labor costs, but also helps avoid customer service issues. Now, since you already know the meaning of business tools, the next topic will be the common business tools used in tourism industry. First on the list, computer, are used extensively by lodging managers and their assistants to keep track of guests' bills, reservations, room assignments, meetings, and special events. In addition, computers are used to order food, beverages, and supplies, as well as to prepare reports for hotel owners and top-level managers. Second, mobile phones. Each year, global tourism becomes more innovative, utilizing the power of smartphones and tablets to provide current and prospective travelers with enhanced flexibility, accessibility, and convenience across every stage of travel. Accessing information is easier than ever before, as the internet and social media platforms join forces to create aesthetically driven databases of hotel and destination information, guest reviews, local experiences, and so much more. With this in mind, it's essential to recognize that smartphones play an integral role in every stage of the guest journey. From pre-planning to planning and booking, to on-property and post-stay, guests will look to their smartphones for enhanced convenience, 24/7 service, and uninterrupted connectivity. In fact, according to a study by TripAdvisor, nearly 42% of global travelers use their smartphones to plan their trips. Third, landline phones. Landlines are a fundamental tool for promoting safety in hotels. Because landlines operate independently of power lines, damage to a transformer or generator doesn't impair a guest's ability to call for help. In the case of a prolonged blackout, landlines maintain communication, whereas cell phones require frequent charging and web communication is curtailed by the internet's reliance on electricity. The presence of a landline in every room also guarantees the grads of hotel management training a way to contact guests in the case of an emergency. Fourth, internet. The tourism and hospitality industry has been one of the earliest industries using integrated marketing communication to promote their products and services. Internet plays a big role in their strategy since it has been covered to every corner of the world. Because the hospitality industry mostly provides intangible products, such as services and comfort, the internet has become a good way to deliver their messages, in touch with customers, and promote their branding. Internet can be maximum exploited in the tourism industry for different types of marketing or promotional activities. Internet helps the tourism industry to expand and transfer its data, which helps the industry to increase the turnover ratio, and internet is the most suitable way to make direct relationship with customers. Tourism industry can achieve many advantages if internet is used wisely. Since internet connection is a wide communication network, tourism agencies can make a direct relation with the public. Product distribution and services of agencies cannot depend on quantity of printed papers anymore, and information about them can reach millions of the internet users. Fifth, projectors. Help that communication by expanding the image of your computer screen to be large enough for a room full of people to see. When you're selecting a projector, you need to be certain it meets your needs by evaluating its features and characteristics. Sixth, printers. All the input and output devices connected to a computer serve an important purpose, and without which the computer could not function properly. Printers are an output device and common equipment in every household and offices. Printers are usually used to print documents, text, images, assignments, reports. Seventh, CCTV cameras. Encourage employees and buyers to be on their best behavior alike. It also gives customers a sense of security and safety as they know they are protected and gives them confidence in doing business with you. CCTV cameras can be installed in high-risk areas of a business facility or establishment. 8. A shareable resource that allows you and your team to plan and keep track of your content marketing, ensuring your hotel has a steady flow of content. The more visual your calendar is, the better. A mere glance should reveal what you have planned for the week. You should be able to glean what content is being created and by whom, what stage the content is at, where it will be published or promoted and who the target audience is. Color coding is key. A photocopier plays an important role in every office. Because these photocopiers don't utilize the same printing system with the desktop printers, it is certain that they do not use costly inks used by desktop printers, and also, they produce copies a lot faster than usual printers at large quantities. Of course, after using these tools, you should store the recorded details of your staff or guest in a right place. The following are the technology or software or should use. First on the list, Word or spreadsheets are excellent tools to record the required details. These can be easily constructed to suit the individual needs of the business and changed to suit changing needs. They can be password protected or secured using other methods to ensure the quality of the data, allowing many people to view the document and only a few to edit. Electronic document files can be as simple as word processing files that require a little more effort to construct, but once done, are excellent tools. The electronic formation can be constructed on a multi-access approach where employees can easily locate and view the file to find the required information, but they cannot alter or edit the document. The ease of access makes the electronic format much more attractive than the book approach, which can only be accessed by one person at a time. There are purpose-designed database software packages that store and manage the details for each asset. These are flexible packages that can be configured to suit the needs of the business. There are many places that can be used to store an item: a desk drawer, cupboard, storage locker, or cabinet. The location needs to be identifiable so there can be certainty as to the tool's correct storage location. Cabinets can be numbered or identified where there is a possibility of confusion because they are similar in appearance. Shelves and boxes can also be identified with labeling systems to indicate a unique storage location to ensure the tools are stored in the correct location and the correct location can be found. Identification numbering can be used that provides some indication as to the location of the storage item. As an example, a classroom may have a number C113. This indicates the room is in Building C on the first floor and it can be found between 112 and 114. Just as was proposed with asset numbers, storage location numbers, or codes, should be constructed using a template or coding standards that allow the consistent formation of the number or code and encourages the quick and certain location of the storage position and the quick and certain return of the asset to the correct location. That's all for today's discussion. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to answer and submit your activities.